Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382. And today we have a 2016 Nissan Navara MP300 dual cab ute, stock reference number 4381. The shape runs from the 5th month 2015 and is the current shape. It has a YS23 DDT 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. YS23 DDT 2.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has been in a rollover. It's fitted with factory 18-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. Not much has survived on this vehicle panel wise. Left hand rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a flat tyre. We have a tailgate spoiler, a few grazes on it but still may be usable. Right hand rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Driver side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black cloth center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory single stack CD player, left hand sun visor, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.